Good morning, students. Today the date is June 20th and the day is Saturday. I hope you all are well and safe at home. Today we are going to start with next topic of aptitude under quantitative aptitude. Chapter number 28, that is diagonals in a polygon. Students, this topic you have did in your mathematics books in chapter number 3, understanding quadrilaterals. Diagonal is a line segment connecting or joining two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. It can be calculated as number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Or in your aptitude it is written as n into n minus 1 divided by 2 minus n. When you will simplify this expression, it will be equal to n into n minus 3 by 2, where n stands for number of sides. As I have drawn here a quadrilateral, in a quadrilateral there are 4 sides. That is, n is equal to 4. So the number of diagonals is equal to number of diagonals in a quadrilateral is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. That is 4 into 4 minus 3 by 2. 4 minus 3 is 1. That is 4 into 1 divided by 2. 2 2s the 4, that is equal to 2. You can say that the number of diagonals in a quadrilateral is 2. You can also draw it like this. So hence a quadrilateral have 2 number of diagonals. Here I have taken the examples of a polygon having number of sides equal to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is, a polygon having number of sides equals to 5 is known as a pentagon. So here the n is equal to 5. I want to calculate the number of diagonals. Number of diagonals will be equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. You are to just use this expression to find out the number of diagonals, and you will put the value of n and get the answer. N is simply the number of sides. It is 5 into 5 minus 3 divided by 2. That is equal to 5 multiplied by 2 divided by 2. 2 and 2 cancel and n is equal to 5. So it means number of diagonals in a pentagon is equal to 5. Also, I have taken the next example, third part. That is, here I have a diagram of a hexagon, as it is a hexagon, and so n is equal to 6. Now again I will use the same formula. Number of diagonals will be equal to n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Student, you just need to know the formula and the number of sides, and simply you can get the answer by putting the value of n here. So it is 6 multiplied by 6 minus 3 is 3 divided by 2. 2 3 is the 6. 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So we can say that the number of diagonals in a hexagon is equal to 9. Now the first part of your exercise in the aptitude book is, this is the figure given to you. In this we will firstly count the number of sides. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is n is equal to 7. And for n is equal to 7, it is heptagon. So we wish to find out the number of diagonals in a heptagon. So I'll simply write number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 divided by 2. Substitute the value of n, that is equal to 7. 7 into 7 minus 3 divided by 2, that is 7 into 7 minus 3 is 4 divided by 2. 2 2 is the 4, 7 2 is the 14. Hence a heptagon have number of diagonals equal to 14. Now the next part of this is second part. Now again the figure is given. I'll count the number of sides first. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it means n is equal to 8. For n is equal to 8, a polygon is known as octagon. So for an octagon, the number of diagonals will be number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 by 2. You need to learn this formula only. And after that I'll put the value of n, that is 8. 8 into 8 minus 3 by 2. 8 multiplied by 5 divided by 2. 2 4s the 8, 4 5s the 20. So an octagon have number of diagonals equals to 20. In this way, students, you will be given a diagram. You have to count the number of sides and then you will use this formula, that is number of diagonals is equal to n into n minus 3 divided by 2 to find out the number of diagonals. So students, this is all about this chapter. Thank you. Have a nice day.